Hello everyone, welcome back to some more daily writing nonograms. Um, I am recording this as as an acceptance, that I cannot stick to one habit, just a daily small habit. I am recording this video just to say, um, I accept that I'm just this lazy. So I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. It is January 26th. We're doing the January 25 puzzle. It is 1 a.m. So, all right, let's start. So, what do we have? Uh, there's not much here, but I gotta start somewhere, right? 8, 4, 2, oh, 1, 10, 3, minus 9, 7, 8, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 6, 6, 4, 1, 3, nope, 7, 4, 3, 1, nope, that's 11, 6, and then minus 7, yep, 16, 1, minus 7, 8, 3, 1, 1, nothing there, 11, 2, nope, 6, 5, 4, probably not, definitely not, 9, 10, doubt it, nope, 7, 10, definitely not, 1, 1, 14, 3, that is minus 8, like that, 1, 13, nope, nothing, 2, 4, 3, 13, minus 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, keep that there, alright, 3, 5, 2, 7, sorry, 7, and 5, that's minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, yeah, 9, 3, and 13, that's gonna be minus 3, and seems like that's all the shot we're gonna get. So this is an 8, that's a 7, 13, extendable to here, block this off, this is at least a 5, that's at least a 4, alright, this is a 5, okay, there's nothing here, but sorry, my right click is very buggy right now, we'll probably get a new mouse soon, but that's a 7, it is an 11, like that, this 513, right? So if this is the 5 and this is the 3, there's a 1 and there's a 1 there, so if this is part of the 5, there can't be anyone. So this is the 1, that's the 5, that's the 3. Okay, yeah, makes sense to me. So this is the 7 minus 2, that's a 10, that's a 10, 16, 8, 13, 2, 6, nope, 5, nothing there, nothing there, this is the 10, minus 2, 6, 6, 4, 4, 11, 5, 1, 1, okay, very nice, 13, 13, 3, 14, Uh, okay. 4. 4. Nothing here, nothing here. Nothing here. This is a 5. This is a 10. It's also a 10. 5, 7, 6, minus 1. That's the 7 right there. And we're done. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh my god, my mouse. I need a new one. Nothing here. That's a 4. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing over here. Wait. Yeah, okay. So nothing here. Oh, that's actually really good progress, I think, because we can put a 4 here and we can put a 4 there. So 1, 2, 3, 3, and 1. Nice. So this is a 2. That's a 6. That's a 11. That's a 16. That's okay. So 7. It's a 4. It's a 2. That is a 3. That's an 8. That's a 7. Nice, very nice. 7, 6, 6. There we go. This is 13. 4, 5, 5. This is 10, 2. That's a 10. That's a 6. Okay. 5, 4, 5, 5. Wait. Okay, that's a 5. 6. So that's a 13. There's nothing here. Yeah. So that's a 3, 1. That's a 2. This is a 3. That's a 1. Nothing here. There's a 2. My mouse would work. This. No, that doesn't have to be a 2. Not sure. This is 1, 7, 9. Extend this 8. This is the 8. 5, 7, 2. Wait, sorry. 5, 7, 2. 5, 3, minus 2, minus 2. That's a 10. 7, 7. 1. That's a 5. We can cross all of this out. Please cooperate with me, mouse. Please. Oh my god, this is so terrible. Nothing here. This is the 8. And that's a 4. 3, 3, 3, 1. That's at least a 4. 1, 1. Nothing here. That's a 4. Nothing here. That's a 3, 1. Okay, nothing here. So nothing here. 2, 2, 1, 3. Great. 5 minus 3, 1, 10, 2, 5. Great. 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2, 7, 5. Yep. Come on, let's keep going. 1, 1. Nothing here. Completes a 9. Wait. Okay, 9 is already completed, I guess. That's a 3. So this is done. Cross this out. 2. This is 3, 6, 1, 3, 1, 7, 4. That's an 8. That's a 3. I mean, that's 9. This is a 3. 2, 4, 3. 4 minus 2. 3. 5. 7, 2. 7, 3. 1, 2. Nothing here. 4. 1. 6. 2, 1, 6. 1 here. Nothing here. 1 here. Alright. 7, 6, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 5, 1. That's a 2. Nothing here. 9, and then 3, 4, 7, 2, 1, 3. Okay. Where now? Maybe the 6. Minus 4. 4, 5. Oh, 7. Minus 3. 1, 4. Nothing here. 4. Nothing here. 5. Okay. Oh wait. 7, 2, 2, 1. Individually crossing out tiles is annoying. 7, 3. 7, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3. Nothing here. So 7, 3, 3. 2, 1, 3. Yeah. So 3. 7, 2, 2, 1. Complete. Nothing here. That's a 3. That's a 1. 2, 2, 3. Yes, 3. 4. 8, 1, 1. 1, 1. 2. Yes, 2. 4, 1, 3. Where to go now? Um, 1, 3 minus 2. Not very helpful. 6, 5, 5. Okay. 1, 1, 2. Not very helpful. 3, 5 minus 3. Not super helpful actually. 6 minus no. I don't know where to go next. There's a 1. Nothing here. So 2, 2, 3, 2. 6 minus 4. Stuff. 2, 5, 1, 6 minus 4. I don't know where to go now, bro. 1, 1, 2, 6, 1, 5. I really doubt it's gonna reach anywhere. Yeah, no, definitely not. Very difficult. Very difficult. What do I do? Oh, wait. 3, 4, 3, 4. That's everything I counted. So, cap this off there. So 3, 4, like this, and then that's a 3. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Okay, that can probably help us. 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, nope. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, nope. Okay. 2, 1, 6, 3, 6, 4. Okay, not actually not very helpful. Uh, 4, 6, minus 3, 5, minus 4. Okay, so 4, so 5. Ah, like this, like this. Like this, like this. 5, 4. Fuck. 5. Oh, that should be everything accounted for here. Not much I can do though. 4 minus 3. That is a 5. What am I doing? 5, 3 somewhere here. It could be this one. This is the 5. It could be part of here. This is the 4. So if that's the 5, no, I don't know. Oh, damn. Okay. Alright, sure. Oh, wait. 3, 2, 6. So 1, 1, 2. And then 6. Block this. 6. Aha. 605. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing. Okay, 4, 1, 4. Grab this. 2. Nothing here. That's a 2. It's a 1. Nothing. 3. Minus 2. 4. For what now? That's not 2, so this is a 5. This is a 3. 3, 2. 7. Nothing. Nothing. 4, 6. Wait. 6 up to here. 2. 1, 2, 1. 2, 4. 1, 4. 2, 2, 3. 4, Okay. 3 2 2, nothing here. 3 3, nothing here. 3 4. 1 8 1 1 2 8 8 1 1 2 3 minus 1. 5 4 2 4 1 3 2. 5 3. So like this, like that. 4 1 2 1 2 3 3. 4 2 5 3. Yeah. 1 1 2 2 3 4 3, and then so 3 4 minus 2. Okay, 1 3 5. Alright. 2 2 4 1 1 2 6. Okay. 5 3. 1 2 1. Nothing here. 2 4 3. 2 4 3, and then 4. Nice. Up to here. Yeah. Doesn't help with anything though. Ah. 5 minus 3, that's a 1. Right click, behave. 6 3 1 1. It's really nice actually, because now we can say that this is 5 3 5 and then 4. Yeah, and then nothing here. Here's the 6 minus 2. 1 4 2. Please, please, Jesus. I'm so mad. I have to individually click then. Nothing here. Nothing here. 4 2 3 1 2. Okay. 1 4 4 over here. Minus 1 5 3 6. 1 2 1 1 3 4, like this. 1 1 2 6. Okay, that's a 1. Nothing here. That's a 4 4 2 3 6 3 3 2 1. Nothing here. That's a 4 3 4 3 4. 7 1 complete. This is a 5 and a 2. Nothing here. 3 nothing. 1 1 2 2. 3 3 2 1 3 5 2 2 3 2 2. Nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 6. 1 1 2 6. Yes, this is the 1 6. 4 2 1 1 2 2 1 1. 2 1 2 5 1 6. 4 6464, 6413, 4 2 4. Alright, now just this corner now, nothing here. 4 2 3 1 2 4. So 4 5 4 4 5. This is a 1, so 2 4 2 4 5 1 2, and the last should be there, and we are done. Okay, that is almost exactly 25 minutes. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'm I'm done promising videos after, but I'll try. Okay, maybe, I don't know, man, but I'll upload if I upload. So I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye, good night. Bye bye.